Hi mga ka-cordates! It's me, Sir Yong, and welcome back to my channel! Shout out to my 125 subscribers! Yes, I'm happy po kay daghan na kay tanong. So daghan na gud kong estudyante. So I'm very happy for that. So kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, what you're waiting for? Subscribe na para updated ka sa science char. Magpa-shoutout man po sila. So shout out to Sir Aldrin Esquivel, to Ma'am Clarissa Itoye, at saka kay Ma'am Melanie Rose Riang Omak. Shout out ko ninyo, perminter mo mapasiga ka, singaakan na mo perminte. The content of this video, it is requested by my students talaga. Dagang mga estudyante, no? So, it is requested by Charli Carolino, grade 4 student. Sabi niya, Sir Noel, pwede po bang soil ang next topic? Charlie. O, diba? Yes, so, yan po ang next topic natin ngayon. What is soil? Of course, grade 4 man ang nag-request ani nga topic. So, ang level of difficulties ani is pang grade 4 lang pud siguro, no? Di lang pud ta mo akyat doon sa higher level kay unsa una lang grade 4 basig dili ta masabtan ba. So, pang grade 4 na lang siguro, no? Lawi na Bisaya. Sorry, so mo na to Bisaya ko magbutay ka. What is soil? So soil is the loose upper layer of the earth's surface where the plants grow. So ang soil, or ano yung soil? Soil is consists of a mix of organic materials, so yun yung mga decayed plants at saka animals, and the broken bits of rocks and minerals. So how is soil formed? So paano na-form ang soil cell? So, the soil is formed over a long period of time by number of factors. So, it takes up to 1,000 years for just an inch of a soil to form. Besides time, other factors that help soil to form includes, first is the living organisms. So, this includes the organisms such as the plants, the fungi, the animals, and the bacteria. Second is the topography. So this is the relief or the slope of the surface of the land where the soil is formed. Tapos the third is the climate, which is the overall climate and weather that the soil is forming. The last is parent material. So the parent material is the minerals and the rocks, which is slowly disintegrating to form the soil. Why is soil important? So at first, you may think of soil as just dirt. Sometimes you want to get rid of it. However, soil plays an important role in supporting life on Earth. Soil is important to number one, for the plants. So many plants need the soil in order for them to grow, diba? So plants use the soil not only for the nutrients but also in a way that they anchor themselves to the ground using their roots. Second is the atmosphere. Soil impacts our atmosphere, releasing gases such as carbon dioxide into the air. Third is living organisms. Many animals, fungi, bacteria rely on soil as a place to live. Fourth is nutrient cycles. Soil plays an important role in cycling nutrients such as carbon and nitrogen cycles. The last is water. So the soil helps to clean or filter our water. So let's proceed now to the properties of soil. So the soil is often described using the several characteristics, includes the texture, the structure, the density, what else? The temperature, the color, the consistency, and porosity. One One of the most important properties of the soil is texture. So texture is a measure of whether the soil is more like a sand, silt, or clay. The more like a sand of soil is, the less water that it can hold. On the other hand, the more clay a soil is, the more water that it can hold. So, meron din po tayong tinatawag na soil horizons. So, soil is made up of many layers. So, this layer often called as the horizons. There are three main horizons. They are called the A, B, C horizon, which are present in the soil. Pag-usapan natin ngayon ang layers of the soil. So, meron diyang una, which is organic or the organic layer, or also called as the humus layer. So, it is a thick layer of plants remains which includes the leaves and the twigs. Next is topsoil, or considered as the A horizon. So, it is fairly a thin layer that's about 5 to 10 inches thick, composed of organic matter and minerals. This layer are the primary layer where the plants and organisms live. Next is the subsoil, or considered as the B horizon. So this layer is made up of primarily clay, iron, and organic matter which accumulated through the process of alluviation. Next layer is the parent material. So the parent material is considered as the C horizon. So this layer is called parent material because the upper layers develop on this layer. So this layer is made up mostly of a large rocks. The last is the bedrock, the bottom layer which is several feet below the surface. So the bedrock is made up of a large solid mass of rocks. At yun po ang soil horizon. So additional trivia po about the soil. So kapag kukuha ka po ng 1 teaspoon of a good soil, it contains 100 million of bacteria po ang nandoon. Tapos, soil is mostly made up of the elements oxygen, silicon, the aluminum, the iron, and the carbon. So, yun po ang soil. I hope, Charlie, that you've learned a lot on this video. And also for the viewers, sana po meron po kayong nakuhang bagong learnings na naman. If you like this video, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa aking mga videos. Goodbye mga cordates and see you sa ating next vlog.